morning, one and all. I'm Likitha of Grade 7, Laurel High Global School. So today I'm going to tell development of food. So what is food? Food is a nutritious substance that people and animals eat. It also contains essential nutrients such as proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins or minerals. So today we're going to see introduction to food, uses of food, timeline of food and conclusion. Introduction to food. Food is any substance that consumed to provide nutritional support for an organism. Food is usually of a plant, animal or fungal origin and contains essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins or minerals. Table of contents. Food provides nutrients so we can grow and be active and healthy. Energy for activity, growth and all functions of the body such as breathing, digestion of food and warming. Materials of the growth and repair and for keeping the immune system. Timeline of food. 6000 BC, grapes were the first grown in southern Caucasus. 5500 BC, earliest secure evidence of cheese making in Kuzbe, Poland. 5000 BC, modern like maize varieties of appear. 5000 BC, potatoes were cultivated. Conclusion. Food is one of the basic necessity of human. Therefore, should not be such problem that can cause serious health issues to protect consumer rights. A wide variety of scientific techniques have developed to protect screen of adulteration in food. Any queries? Thank you.